Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you various car accessories which will be useful for you in day-to-day life. So let's get into the video and see what all are the accessories are. The first thing in our list is a digital rear view mirror. So it is a quite useful product which we can have in our car. So it has various modes like adjusting the brightness, looking far and near. So it has various sensors. It will help you to park the car in reverse and see if there is any obstacles there. The second product is a air bed which we can fit at the rear seat of our car. If we are planning to sleep in our car, this product is quite useful and it is quite comfortable also. It comes with a motor pump which we can power from our car. It has various functions also. It's a quite handy product to have. The next product in our list is a magnetized mobile mount which we have to fit inside the case or on the phone. So it is quite simple. No need to adjust the bracket, just fix it on the phone and we are good to go. It's quite useful. This product will give your car a cool look while riding at night. It is called an LED Firefly which we have to attach on valve tube of our car. It is a quite cool product to have. To get rid of the odor in your car, no need to buy the expensive air purifier. This is a refillable air purifier which you can refill and use as many times as you like. Just pour in some water and some liquid perfume and it is good to go. So it is a quite useful product to have. This thing is called a car head-up display. It is quite useful product to see the speed of our car if our speedometer is not working. Not only that, it is quite easy to install and we can also measure the mileage of our car and if there is any technical problem we are facing. Just plug into our circuits and it is good to go. It definitely gives your car a cool look. The next cool product which we have is a car full-time recorder. We can extend its memory and delete unnecessary recordings. It's a quite useful product. If we have to prove something, we can show the videos which we have recorded. If you find this useful, you can buy this online. I say this product need to be installed in every car to avoid accident. So it is a door opening indicator. So when we open our door, there's an indicator which will blink. It helps to give a warning signal to the vehicles which are coming from behind while your door is open. It will avoid most of the accidents and it is quite useful product to have. This is Boat 3.0 car charger. It's a good quality product by Boat. It is easy to use car charger. Just plug it into your car socket and it is good to go. It comes with a fast charger and high quality USB cable. Just plug it into your car and that's it. It is a good quality charger you can buy. So this is another fancy thing you can have in your car. It is a logo which will be displayed when you open your door. It is called a logo displayer. Just you have to fit it and switch on the switch. It will display the car brand. This product is called Car Fix Diagnosed. It can be monitored by your smartphone. Just fix it on your dashboard and it is good to go. It is a quite handy and useful product. Unlike the previous charger which I have shown, this comes with a call picking up functionality. It's a cool product to have and we have a small LED display. It also comes with a power charger. Link of this product is given in the description below. Dual dash cam. It's a quite interesting and useful product which you can install in your car. So it is a useful product and it will cover the full area of a car as shown in the video. So this comes with a 180p resolution recording. It also detects the motion of your car. It has the functionality called loop recording, time-lapse recording, and it is a pretty compact and easy to install product. If you think it is a useful product for you, you can buy this product by the link given in the description below. Car doorstep. If your car is huge and there is luggage which is kept on top of your car, this product will come in handy. Without anyone's help, you can pick up the luggage which is kept on top of your car. If you find this product useful, you can buy this product by the link given in the description below. If you like to see your mobile in different angle, this product might be useful for you. It is called a different angled mobile holder. So we can fix this good quality mobile holder on our dashboard, and we can adjust the length as per our requirement. If you find this product useful, you can buy it online. It is often difficult to clean the seat cover and the narrow spaces in our car. This car-powered vacuum cleaner will come in handy. It is very easy to use car vacuum cleaner, and it is also made of a good quality and different adjustable knob, which we can clean different areas of the car. The last product in our list is a car jelly. Unlike the previous vacuum cleaner, which needs a power supply from our car to clean, this is a simple DIY cleaner which you can fix and pull the dirt out. As it's shown in the video, it is quite effective cleaning way in a deep narrow spaces in your car. If you like this product, you can buy this product on Amazon by link in the description below. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. If you like any of the product, I will be providing the link in the description below. So it might be useful for you in day-to-day life. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification of the video first. Peace out.